However, that news is bringing frustration in neighboring cities. Officials in Norfolk and Virginia Beach don't know when Phase 1B of their vaccination effort will begin.
Both city councils had tough questions for the health director. Our Brett Hall has her response.
Friday, it will be 1 month since the first COVID-19 vaccine in the state was given to a Centerra Norfolk employee. Yet today, neither Norfolk or Virginia Beach have been given the go-ahead from the state to start vaccinating the second group of people, essential workers and those over age 75.
To say that we're going to get to 1B in 1 or 2 weeks is just not acceptable.
I have a hard time accepting the vagueness, frankly.
Leaders in both cities want to know why they are not farther along in the process when the state is reporting less than 50% of the doses distributed having been administered.
It was just disappointed to see that Chesapeake somehow was able to do that first with their teachers.
Health Director Demetra Lindsay, who leads the state health department for both cities, pointed to the number of frontline healthcare workers between the two cities as a possible explanation as to why cities and towns in northern and southwest Virginia have already moved to the next phase.
Different communities have different resources. We have some communities that do not have as large a provider base as we experienced in our area.
Just as frustrating to council members is the lack of information available now surrounding what people should know when the cities do go into Phase 1B.
I don't have an answer. Nobody has an answer.
While Dr. Lindsay assured council plans are in the works to open a facility that will be able to vaccinate a large number of people, Virginia Beach's vice mayor says with all the city's resources that could be available to help, they need to know more.
We were not pleased with the responses.
Moving forward,
I just can't stress enough the necessity of being very clear with timelines and communicating very clearly so our community has, so that we level set the expectation. This is more than just Norfolk.
the governor is expected to make new announcements about the vaccination plan tomorrow afternoon. Brett Hall, 10 on your side.